If I get one more advertisement for crate hackers, not just any advertisement, the crappy, corny, ridiculous advertisements for crate hackers, I'm going to go insane. What's up, everybody? I'm DJ LeFave, and I'm about to show you an alternative to crate hackers that will both save you money and time and make sure that you have every song that you need for your next mobile DJ gig. So you guys don't know what crate hackers is. Basically, it can take Spotify playlists or pre-made playlists that other DJs put into crate hackers, and then it can search through your local music library, and everywhere that you have a song, it'll put it into a folder for you or a crate, right? So it basically organizes, it does all the work for you, kind of. Check it out. This is how much it costs. I want crate hackers, $297 a year. Let me get my calculator out. $297 divided by 12 equals $24.75 a month, plus all the music you gotta buy if you don't have the music. It's not a record pool. It is not, none of that. All it does is it saves you time. I'm gonna show you another route. Have you guys heard of Beatsource? Beatsource is an awesome streaming tool that if you get the Pro, which is $34.99 a month, 7 million plus tracks, and this is the big thing right here, offline playback of up to 1,000 tracks. That means you can download to cache inside of your DJ software up to 1,000 songs. Tell me a DJ gig where you did not have Wi-Fi and you needed more than 1,000 songs at your disposal. I'm gonna show you how easy this works. Say you're working with a client, right? And they give you a, they're going to give you a Spotify playlist, right? So I've got this Spotify playlist right here. I'm just going to take this Spotify playlist. This actually happened. This was for a Sweet 16 that I did a few months ago. I go to this wonderful app called Tune My Music. I'm going to transfer playlists between music services. They gave me a Spotify playlist. Hey, DJ LeFave, these are all of the songs that I want you to have at the ready to play at my special event. So I'm going to paste that link in here. I'm going to load from URL. Now it's going to pull it up. It says, all right, we found 72 songs for this Sweet 16. I say, cool. I want to be able to use it in my DJ library. We're going to choose the destination. Well, I'm going to send it to Beatsource. I wanted to go to Beatsource. I have a Beatsource account, and now I'm just going to say start transfer. So there were 72 songs of 72 and 41 fit, one missing. All right, one missing, not bad, two missing. So of the two songs that are missing, let's go see what they are. We'll just draw this drop down right here. And of the two that are missing, we have, don't even know what that song is. And all right, so 70 out of 72 songs, right? And that's it. And now it's done. So now when I go into Virtual DJ, all right, so now that we are inside of Virtual DJ, I go into Beatsource, and then I'm going to go down here into Sweet 16 Official. And you notice all 70 files, they're here. They are here and ready to go. They are ready to go for the party. No more work needed. Now, what you can do, and what I like to do is this. I'll go here. I will go and click a new virtual folder. We're going to call this Sweet 16 Requests, right? I might have spelled that really incorrectly. That's okay. It's just for purposes here. Now, I'm going to go back to the online folder. I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to bring it into that virtual folder right here, right there. And now that I'm in the virtual folder, I'm going to select everything one more time, right-click it, and I'm going to say download to cache. Now, those 70 songs are going to be available whether I have Wi-Fi or not. I think that it's a better deal than crate hackers. I think it's a great tool for mobile DJs, so that way you won't have to have all of the songs always. Like, am I ever going to need Sad Girls Love Money again? Am I ever going to need that song again? Sure, some of these I'm sure. Super Freaky Girl, play it all the time. Pound the Alarm, yeah, of course. So it's a good deal, and it's very easy to use. So hopefully those steps help you out. I'm DJ LeFave. If you get any other questions on how to use streaming to your advantage and anything else I can help you out with Virtual DJ, just let me know. Leave a comment on where you're tuning in from, and I'll see you later. Out.